So Matt, how was the writing seminar this weekend?
Pretty good. I wrote quite a bit today.
Did you get any other fun things in while you were there?
No, I'm just writing stuff.
So you didn't enjoy the roller coaster?
What? What coasters? There was no coasters.
Well, how about the bumper cars?
What are you talking about? What bumper cars? There were no cars.
Tell me, did Victoria enjoy the bumper cars?
Well, I enjoyed it very much. Oh, Matt, you didn't tell Laura that you skipped out on the convention and took me to the amusement park? Naughty, naughty, naughty.
You lied to me. I believed you about that writing seminar. Now I can't trust you anymore.
Don't give me that. You think I don't know about where you go when you need a little alone time? That's right. You weren't alone at all, weren't you? Who knows what you were doing with Victor? So, tell me. Did you both go bar hopping and drink wine until you get all tipsy?
I never get tipsy. Hello, Laura. Good to see you again. You didn't tell Matt about our little trip, did you? That's my girl.
You also lied to me.
You did first. How long have you been going out with her?
Ah, the sound of strife. It's music to my ears.
Indeed. It does not get my pulse pounding like the sounds of humans screaming in the pits of fire and brimstone. But in this world, it is a viable substitute.
Oh, yes. Even after hundreds of millennia, it never gets dull. But enough of this fun and games. It's time to see them crash and burn.
How can I believe anything you say?
Don't lecture me about lying. How do I know that anything that comes out of your mouth isn't a lie?
You know, Matt, there is a sure way to get her to tell the truth.
You just push this button and ask him a question.
And she won't be able to lie.
Do you like our date nights when we would stay in and read books together?
Yeah, I do. I can't stand them. They're mind-numbingly boring. Well, what about you? Do you really enjoy our foreign film nights?
Yeah, of course I hate them. Whenever I watch them, I feel like my brain cells would die every second. I'm sorry, I didn't mean for it that way. I don't know where that came from.
The day you proposed to me, you took me to the coast. It was a warm summer evening, remember? You sang me this little song that you wrote, and you timed it with the sunset going down behind you. You told me that you love sunsets like you love me.
Laura, listen to me. Don't trust this bastard. Make him pay. Keep going. Force him to tell you the truth.
No. I don't want to force him. Matt, do you love sunsets?
No. I don't love them. I mean, I didn't love them before I met you. To me, it was just something that happens every day. Nothing to write home about. You look at it and maybe stop for a second, but you just go about. But that all changed when I had you by my side. I just love how your face would glow every time the sun would hit the horizon, and how it make your face glow every time. So yeah, it's true. Sunsets, they didn't mean much, at least back then. But now, every time I think of them, I think of you. I love them now.
Laura, my dear, tell him about the time.
No! I don't want to fight with him anymore. Leave me alone.
I don't appreciate that tone, Laura.
I don't care. We're through, Victor.
Oh, Matt, there are so many more lies to be exposed.
Leave us alone. We're done playing your games.
Let's get one thing absolutely clear. You'll stop when I say you stop. Or would you rather have Laura know that you think I'm such...
Shut it! You think you can compare yourself to Laura, huh? I love her from the bottom of my heart. You're repulsive.
This is not over. I'll be back. I know you so well.
We will cross paths again, Laura. You only want what I can give you. The remote is the least I can do.
Get lost.
And don't come back. I'm sorry I went to the amusement park with her.
I'm sorry I listened to him. Hey, did you really mean what you said about sunsets?
When you use the remote to check?
No, I think I believe you.
Hey, so, do you want to, like, go to the beach and read while we watch the sunset?
That sounds wonderful. Let me just go get changed.